Tire vulcanizing process. The vulcanization process involves sealing and repairing punctures, cuts, or gashes in tires under extreme pressure and heat. Clean the damaged area properly to remove any dirt, dust, or other particles. Removing tire from the rim. Apply the patch on the damaged area and gently press it down. Drying time of the fluid is affected by its temperature and thickness. Tire inflation. In this type of tire, air pressure is 30 psi. Vulcanizing a tire is an excellent way to repair and strengthen your tire, since vulcanized rubber lasts a lot longer than natural rubber. For more informative videos, visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.